In the middle.
Get over, Steve.
I don't know how to do this.
You don't know what this is, do you?
Camera. What did I press first? Don't go in the pocket then.
Oh, my fault, I'm having a bit of a laugh. I don't know. That? Oh, you got work? Hey! Hey! You did? No, you can feel that. No! Stop!
What'd you do? Oh, my arm's killing. Huh?
Ask you to get back together.
No, what did you do?
Just pause like this, it's over. And then you go home. You get back together.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
He does know me because he was like talking to me on the bus on the way back to the prom.
So it's like that, you're not getting back.
I know, Dean went with me.
What?
Dean went with me.
I was out on the thing. What time is it?
Dean kept sneaking off saying we needed fresh air, right? And what he actually was at the bus.
Yeah.
No one told me.
That's my idea. I think I'm going to stop for the best. Back to the best.
Bye!
You go drink.
Right.
Not what you mean, you do.
Love high school.
What's the thing right now?
Crap.
Come back to you again.
There's a gap so much.
Look in. After you stop with the phone and don't go out with a much nice package. Yeah. Don't.
Let it happen.
I've got phone already. Is it falling? I'll learn that one, I know it. That's what I took on it.
How do you put that?
I look. Spend the night drinking. I don't think it's drinking. Oh, I think it's drinking. Here now, you got
That's mama.
like right now. Where go? Like you can't drink it. No. I have to do that.
Bye-bye. Oh my god.
Right, off the foot.